Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to do a quick video on an app that can help you back up your data from your apps and also other data on your phone. Now, I mainly use this to back up my text messages and my phone logs because they can get pretty long pretty quickly. Now, if you have, depending on what kind of device you have, that could bog down your device. Now, if you got a powerful device like the iPhone or the Galaxy S8 Plus with a lot of RAM, something like that, you're not going to have a problem most likely. But if you have an older device or a device with smaller amounts of RAM, this could be helpful to you. The app is called MyBackup, and we're going to take a look at it, okay? Okay, so here's the app I'm talking about, and that's it right there. It's called MyBackup Pro. Now, I got the Pro version, but you don't have to get the Pro version. You have a version that you can get for free as well. But I'm going to open it up, and when you open it up, you'll see it'll load these menus here. Now, you have a new backup menu, My Backups, Migrate, and you have a schedule. And we're going to look at each one of them. Okay, in new backup, you click on it. You're going to be able to make a backup of your applications and media. So that's any music, any applications you have with that has data, and then also your data, or you can do either one. So let's just click data, right? And then you can choose where you want that data to be loaded. Now, I just did local, and you can choose what, and local means you're gonna load it on your device. Now, you can select what you want. You can select to back up your contacts or call logs, or your bookmarks, SMS, system settings, Android home, alarms, whatever. You can back all that up. You can select all down here, and then when you get done, you just hit OK, and it'll back up. That's how you do that. Now, My Backups. This is where you can see what you've backed up. If you backed up applications and media, you can click on it. I don't have any of that backed up, so I don't do that. But you can click on it, and you can find it wherever you downloaded it. Okay. Let me go back. Now, you can also look, if you look for My Backups, you can look into the cloud, or if it's on your computer. And now there's a way to do it on your computer where you have to load the IP address so that you can back up to that computer. All right. Now, I don't do that because it's a little time consuming, so I don't do that one. Migrate. That's where you can send this data to another device, or receive the data from another device that has the same app. So you can send data from one app to the next, from one device to the next when you have saved it. Okay, you can migrate. Now, schedule. This is the one where you can schedule to download data automatically. And I have mine daily, and that's why it does that. So one of the things that this helps me to do is to clean up my call logs and messages, right? So when I have a bunch of messages, I can just delete those because I know I can get it back when I want to get it back from the app. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like when you go to restore or look at the app that you've saved already. Okay, if you want to look at your backups to get some data, you go into it, and you can go to wherever you had. Now, I saved mine to the cloud and reware. Now, you can select a device pin, or you can just, if you already have that done, you can just open it up. So I'm gonna open this one up, and let's take a look at it. So this was done on the April 14th. And when I open it up, it says you can restore, you can delete, or you can view. So I'm just gonna view it. So it's gonna load the data, and it's going to ask you which one you want to look at, call log, SMS, or MMS. So I'm going to look at the call logs. So when I click on that, it brings up all the call logs that I've ever had, or downloaded and saved. And so you can restore those, or you can just call from right there, but it's right there saved for you in the cloud. All right. Or you can save wherever you want to save it to, like on your SD card or a computer. Now, it allows you to keep things clean. Your device doesn't get bogged down, and you got your data saved. I got stuff saved all the way back to 2011. So, and it's been saving automatically So if I need to go back to something, a call log or a number that I want to find, when I change devices, I just go right back to it and get it done. Okay, so that's a look at the MyBackup app. It's a pretty good app. I think it's worth taking a look at. If you like to back your data up and not worry about it and have it done automatically, that's a good app for you. Now, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, hit up in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.